Hi, welcome to the Mathematics in my channel. Today we are going to talk about another interesting integral. So the question is integral from 5 over 6 to 5 over 3 sine of x to the cosine of x to the sine of x minus cosine of x to the sine of x to the cosine of x dx. Okay, how to start? Well, first we can write this integral as two different integrals. So now I am going to take this is equal to I, and now we can write 5 over 6 to 5 over 3 sine of x to the cosine of x to the sine of x dx minus 5 over 6 to the 5 over 3 cosine of x to the sine of x to the cosine of x dx. Okay, now I'm going to take this is equal to I1 and this is equal to I2. Now what can we do? Okay, here this integral I1, the base is sine of x, and this integral the base is cosine of x. Okay, now I am going to take this integral, so I2 is equal to 5 over 6 to 5 over 3 cosine of x to the sine of x to the cosine of x dx. Okay, now I will try to change the base because in this integral the base is sine of x, in this integral the base is cosine of x. Okay, now we can use substituting method. So if we take x is equal to 5 over 2 minus theta, now differentiate, so dx is equal to minus d theta. Now we want to consider with the limits. So when x approaches to 5 over 6, so theta approaches to x approaches to 5 over 6, so theta approaches to 5 over 2 minus 5 over 6. So this is equal to 5 over 2 is 90 degrees and 5 over 6 is 30 degrees, so 5 over 3. Also when x approaches to 5 over 3, so theta approaches to 5 over 2 minus 5 over 3. So this is equal to 5 over 6. Okay, now we can plug in. So now limit change, so 5 over 3 to 5 over 6. Here cosine of, now x is equal to 5 over 2 minus theta, and sine of 5 over 2 minus theta, and cosine of 5 over 2 minus theta, and dx is equal to minus d theta. So d theta here minus. Okay, now we can change the limits, upper limits and lower limits. So when we change the limits, this minus get cancelled, so we can write 5 over 6 to 5 over 3. Now we know cosine of 5 over 2 minus theta is equal to sine of theta, and here cosine of theta and sine of theta d theta. Okay, now we know this property. So 0 to a fx dx, this is equal to 0 to a f theta d theta, because the definite integral is independent of the variable. So we can write this is equal to 5 over 6 to 5 over 3 sine of x to the cosine of x to the sine of x dx. Okay, now this is equal to I1. Okay, now we can write I is equal to, we know I1 minus I2, but now I2 is equal to I1. So I1 minus I1, so this is equal to 0. Okay, this is the answer. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.